Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that. So all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for white or piano white, go up or just click on search, then here add piano white to go up, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on first stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.